Hello everyone, we have just organized a fantastic workshop on the criminalization of dissent, and it's been a great experience. We've had people from a lot of countries, and it's been very exciting. The people here in Ognati helped us big time to organize it, and we are very happy. We are actually thinking about organizing the next workshop, and we hope that the organizers will be so kind to accept us again.
The city itself is amazing. It's really at the heart of the Basque Country. It's very lively. There are so many children and people around. We love being here, and there are so many formulas that Ognati also offers for visiting fellowships, for students. You can attend courses. You can have writing retreats. It's a little paradise on earth, I would say. It's very well preserved as well. The nature around is beautiful. The birds are singing all over the place. So I would really advise to everyone to come and feel it and see it, and I'm sure it will give you a lot of ideas for future collaborations with the people here that are amazing, and with the land and with the place.
Absolutely, I'm really pleased. I think we're all very pleased about how the workshop is going and the amazing settings that is stunning, both from a natural point of view and from the town and the people. And here at the Ognati Institute that have helped us so much to support and this workshop and amazing discussion that this setting is also triggering. So I'm really pleased to be here and can't wait to come back in one way or another.
So I can say as a last note that I think what is particularly nice in this setting is that the logistical and administrative support that we got from the Institute really allowed us to dedicate the time to the intellectual framework of this workshop and to try to think about all the ideas of bringing it together. So in this sense, it's really a great opportunity for anyone that would like to bring people together to discuss and have all the benefits of the institutional support here.
Ognati.
Yeah.